Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have Binance account, so how to withdraw Binance account to your local bank account money, how to transfer. It's very simple tips and tricks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all I open my Binance application. This is my Binance application and here I have 75.64 USDT dollar, and now I want transfer this money. Sometimes here in Binance account two options are available. If you press here in the Binance Pro and Binance Lite, if you here in Binance Lite, so sometimes it's very difficult way to transfer those money in your local bank account. If you press here again the top of the screen, and here you just go Binance Lite to Binance Pro, and if you enter here Binance Pro to Binance Lite, so bottom of the screen two arrow is showing here, one right and one left. You just simply press there and here four options is coming. Always I transfer those money in my Indian bank account: buy, sell, convert or deposit. So I just wanted to sell this USDT and transfer those money in my bank account. Just simply press here and how much balance you have and how much you want send. So I have 75, I go with 75. Estimated price is 6,279. If I click here sell, so here showing three different options. One is a UPI, second one is IMPS and bank transfer. UPI always give you more money, you just simply, and IMPS little less, and bank transfer less amount. So always select here UPI point of view. I added here my UPI ID. So it's very simple way to add here UPI ID or IMPS bank account or bank transfer bank account related information. I already added here. Select one of them, confirm, and boom, and after a couple of minutes or couple of hours this amount are receiving your bank account. This is a simple process to transfer Binance wallet to your local bank account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.